friends, let's talk about how to brown ground beef in the microwave. We're going to use Tupperware's Tupperware Stack Cooker. The parts that we're going to use the 3-quart casserole, we're going to use the colander, and you can see here where there are colander holes here, and then we're going to use the cover. So what we did was take a pound of ground beef and we put it in a circular motion, and I like to use the grinds because the grinds brown very nicely. And with ground beef, we're gonna do 4 minutes per pound. The reason that we put the ground beef in a circular motion is because the microwaves cook from the outside in. We're gonna put it in for 2 minutes, and then we will break it up with a spatula, and then we'll put it in for 2 more minutes. Then you're gonna see where the grease is going to drop to the bottom of the casserole. So we'll just cover and we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're gonna take it out of the microwave and then open away from your face. We'll break it up with a spatula. And then we're going to leave the little circle opening and put it back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes have passed, and now we have perfectly brown ground beef. Take it and put it in this other casserole pan. And show you how it breaks up so nicely and easily, and that you also have the left behind and no grease in your ground beef, and beautiful brown ground beef. Thank you guys for coming.